Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both side. First derivative of sine x squared. We have 2 sine x cosine x dx. We know that 2 sine x cosine x, that is about sine 2x. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Sine 2x dx we change by the u over number 2. And now we have the final answer. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.